Kung Fu's wire production. Kung Fu gives top priority to safety. All wires use the self-developed and self-compounding racial high-purity materials, which are mainly synthesized by resin sand, DBP, and various other chemical materials as standard ratios. Such good materials guarantee excellent softness and glossiness of wire. Kung Fu's strand tying technology guarantees the wire's durability. It will not break even after over 30,000 times bending and test, and keeps good electrical connection after over 50,000 times rotating and test, which far surpasses the national standards. Its copper wire uses environmental friendly and high purity red copper, which is with fine electric conductivity, and the plastic wire is not easily heated up. The wire produced with environmental friendly copper material features greater softness, cold resistance, folding endurance, and other properties. All these details perfectly interpret the Kung Fu's promise of guaranteeing customers' safety with top quality.